After an adjustment, there are usually three ways people feel. 40% of the time, it feels like, wow, he just touched my head, adjusted my spine, and I feel much better already. Now, 50% of the time, not much right away. That's okay. Healing takes time. Adjustments don't heal you, you heal you. The adjustment simply clears blockages so that your body can do what it's designed to do. Now, 10% of the time, it feels like renovation. A bit more sore, achy, or tired. Just like upgrading a HDB flat. It's noisy and uncomfortable for a while, but the end result is a stronger, healthier you.